Hello, can I help you find something today?
Yes, I am looking for some fresh vegetables for dinner tonight.
What kind of vegetables are you looking for today?
I want to buy tomatoes, carrots, and some green vegetables.
The vegetables are in the next aisle on the left side.
Thank you very much. I will go and check that area now.
Do you also need some fresh fruits today?
Yes, I would like to buy apples, bananas, and some oranges.
The fruits are near the entrance of the supermarket.
That sounds good. I will go there after I finish here.
Are you looking for something to drink today?
Yes, I want to buy orange juice and some bottled water.
The drink section is at the back of the store.
Thank you. I will go there and choose what I need.
Do you want fresh bread from the bakery section?
Yes, I like fresh bread because it tastes very delicious.
The bakery section is on the right side of the store.
Great. I will visit that section before I go to pay.
Are you planning to cook something special today?
Yes, I am planning to cook dinner for my family tonight.
What are you going to cook for dinner today?
I will cook chicken with vegetables and some rice for dinner.
Do you need help finding the meat section today?
Yes, I want to buy some fresh chicken for cooking tonight.
The meat section is near the back of the supermarket.
Thank you. I will go there and choose fresh chicken.
Are you looking for dairy products like milk or cheese?
Yes, I need milk, butter, and some cheese for breakfast.
The dairy section is in the refrigerator area over there.
Thank you. I will check that section carefully now.
Do you want to buy some snacks for later today?
Yes, I would like to buy chips and chocolate for snacks.
The snacks are in aisle 5 next to the drinks section.
That is helpful. I will go there after I finish shopping here.
Are you finding everything you need in the supermarket?
Yes, I am finding most things, but I still need some eggs.
The eggs are near the dairy section in the cold area.
Thank you. I will go there and get some eggs now.
Do you need a shopping cart for your items today?
Yes, I need a cart because I am buying many things.
You can find shopping carts near the entrance of the store.
Thank you. I will go and get one before continuing.
Do you want to check the price of this product?
Yes, I want to check the price before I decide to buy it.
You can scan the product using the price checker machine.
Thank you. I will use that machine to check the price now.
Are you looking for any special discounts today?
Yes, I would like to find items that are on sale today.
Many products are on sale in the middle aisle today.
That is great. I will go there and see the offers.
Do you need help carrying your groceries today?
Yes, that would be helpful because I have many heavy bags.
I can help you take your groceries to your car outside.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate your help today.
Are you ready to pay for your groceries now?
Yes, I am ready to pay for everything I bought today.
Would you like to pay by cash or by card today?
I would like to pay by card because it is easier for me.
Please insert your card into the machine and enter your PIN.
Okay, I will do that now and complete the payment.
Do you need bags for your groceries today?
Yes, I need a few bags because I bought many items.
I will give you some strong bags for your groceries.
Thank you. That will help me carry everything easily.
What do you do for work?
I work as a teacher, and I help students learn English every day.
Where do you work now?
I work at a local school where many students come to learn.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job because teaching students makes me feel happy.
What time do you start your work every day?
I usually start work at 8 o'clock in the morning every weekday.
What time do you finish your work?
I normally finish work at 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
Do you feel tired after work?
Yes, sometimes I feel tired, but I also feel satisfied.
What do you usually do at your job?
I teach lessons, help students understand English, and check homework.
Do you work with many people?
Yes, I work with many friendly coworkers every day.
Do you like your coworkers?
Yes, my coworkers are kind, supportive, and easy to work with.
How long have you worked at this job?
I have worked at this job for about 2 years now.
Why did you choose this job?
I chose this job because I enjoy helping people learn new things.
Is your job easy or difficult?
Sometimes it is easy, but sometimes it can be difficult and challenging.
Do you work every day of the week?
I usually work from Monday to Friday and rest during weekends.
Do you work on weekends sometimes?
No, I do not work on weekends because I like to rest.
What do you do during your free time?
I relax, spend time with family, and sometimes watch movies.
Do you have a busy schedule at work?
Yes, I have a busy schedule because I teach many classes every day.
Do you enjoy going to work every morning?
Yes, I enjoy going to work because I like meeting my students.
What is the best part of your job?
The best part is seeing students learn and improve every day.
What is the most difficult part of your job?
The most difficult part is when students do not understand lessons easily.
Do you have meetings at your workplace?
Yes, we have meetings to discuss plans and improve teaching methods.
Do you learn new things at your job?
Yes, I learn new things every day from my work experience.
Do you get along well with your manager?
Yes, my manager is very kind and always supports the team.
Do you work alone or in a team?
I work in a team and we help each other complete our tasks.
Do you like working in a team?
Yes, working in a team makes the job easier and more enjoyable.
Do you feel stressed at work sometimes?
Yes, sometimes I feel stressed, but I try to stay calm and focused.
How do you handle stress at work?
I take short breaks and try to organize my tasks better.
Do you take breaks during your workday?
Yes, I take short breaks to rest and refresh my mind.
Do you want to change your job in the future?
No, I want to continue teaching because I enjoy my work.
What are your future career plans?
I want to become a better teacher and improve my skills.
Do you want to learn new skills for your job?
Yes, learning new skills will help me do my job better.
What advice do you give people looking for a job?
I advise them to work hard and never stop learning new things.
What makes a good job in your opinion?
A good job makes you happy and helps you grow as a person.
Are you happy with your job now?
Yes, I am happy with my job because it gives me satisfaction.
Do you think your job is important?
Yes, my job is important because I help students learn English.
Would you recommend your job to others?
Yes, I would recommend it to people who enjoy teaching.
Thank you for sharing about your job today.
You are welcome. I am happy to talk about my work.